Good evening. Right, okay, so what we've now done on the miniature, on the next stage, is blocking some of the colour on the other detail. Things like the skulls, grey for the smoke, yellow for the cabling, a little bit of bronze for the other metal parts, a little bit of brown as well. And essentially what we've done is simply blocked in the colour using watered down paints, maybe one or two coats depending on how you feel. And the next phase is going to be applying the wash. So what we'll do is we'll wash the other detail areas, and we'll go through the paints shortly, and then we'll also look to, on the other areas of silver, put that sort of heat treated steel effect, and we'll do that on a series of areas. We're going to do that on the claw, we're going to do that onto the piping and on the power pack, probably also going to do it on the barrels of the gun. We'll probably leave it there. It's very striking when it's actually used well, but we'll talk about sort of the pros and cons and how to put it on there and see what you guys think at the end. Hi guys, right, okay, so we're just going to talk about the shades that we're going to use tonight. We're going to use a little bit of Agrax Earthshade for any of the bone, some violet for the shell casings, anything sort of brass or bronze, Caribou Crimson for anything red. The orange we're going to use on the essentially the cabling, the yellow cabling at the back. Green shade we're going to use for the internal wiring on the cabling. We're also going to use some camo green shade on his trousers, GHAZKHULL trousers, and then some Bealtan green for the orc flesh. So if you look there, I've used a very, very dark green initially, and then what we'll look to do, there you go, nice and focused. I've used some dark green initially, and then we'll use the Bealtan over the top of that. We will show you the results in the next video.